Hi there, I'm Erin from Phoenix Commerce. I wanted to send a quick video to walk you through this financial impact simulator I mentioned in my email. It's a simple tool which can give you a powerful snapshot of your potential shipping savings this upcoming holiday season. To show you how it works, I'm going to use an example of one of our existing customers whom we helped save more than $500,000 during last year's holiday season. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Here on the assumptions tab, we just need to plug in a few basic metrics about your business, starting with your average monthly site traffic, the average conversion rate, and the monthly order volume. Now, coming to some financial metrics, you need to put in your average order value, the average upgrade fee you pay per unit during the holiday season, the average number of units per transaction, and your average standard shipping cost per order. Finally, we'll add some holiday assumptions. So for them, it was a 2x traffic multiplier during last year's holiday season. For you, it could be anywhere between 2x to 5x, depending upon your category. Then put in a conversion lift during these holidays and for how long you intend to run the sale, and that's it. You just plug in your own numbers here and you get to see the results. And this is where it gets really interesting. The tool compares your current shipping strategy to our intelligent carrier solution. Look at the current solution. Based on these numbers, the holiday rush would have actually resulted in a net loss of over $124,000 on shipping costs for them last year. Now, this is surprisingly common because the cost of upgrading packages to meet holiday deadlines eats away at all the profit from the extra sales. But now look at the intelligent carrier selection. It turns that $124,000 loss into a $616,000 gain. Now that's a total swing of nearly $740,000 directly to your bottom line. So how does that happen? The magic is right here. With intelligent carrier selection, over 66,000 packages that would have been expensively upgraded are shipped using standard methods because the system knows they'll still arrive on time. It's not about cheaper shipping, it's about smarter shipping. And the best part is, these holiday savings are just the beginning. This tab shows you the immediate savings from the peak season. But there's an even bigger opportunity here for a year round revenue growth, which is unlocked when you enable the full API integration. We can talk about that later. The link to this tool is in the email. I really encourage you to take 60 seconds, plug in your own numbers, and see what your potential savings looks like for this holiday season. I'd love to hear what you discover. And please don't hesitate to reach out in case you got any questions. Thanks for watching.